Wouldn't it be nice to have your video content and video ads actually convert into high-paying clients? Let's talk about that. So nothing's worse than creating a really great video that you absolutely love and you worked hard to accomplish, right? You launch it out in your marketing, wanting to attract clients, and then all of a sudden, nothing really happens. You might get a like or two, you might get a comment from your mom, but no real clients as a result of the video ad itself. So how do you make them work? My name is Mitchell with New Results Marketing, and in today's video, we're going to break down a game-changing framework that you can use in your next videos to make your videos impossible to ignore. But here's the truth. Most fitness ads fail for three common reasons. Number one, they don't grab attention. If your ad doesn't hook your viewers in the first 3 seconds, they're gone. So number two, there's no connection to their pain point. People don't care about your equipment or your fancy sessions or your routines. What they care about is fitting into their jeans or feeling confident in their swimwear again. So number three, there's no real call to action. If you don't tell people what to do, such as click or sign up or comment, they simply won't. So now with that said, let's flip the script and learn how to turn your video ads into client-generating machines using this 4-step framework. Number one, you have to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. This is non-negotiable. If you don't hook them, you're gonna lose them. So start your videos with a bold statement, a shocking question, a dramatic statement, or something completely unexpected. This is gonna pull them in to watch it, stop the scroll, and view your video. One example of this is, what if you started off a video saying, are you tired of workouts that feel like torture? Try this instead. You're gonna like it. What if you did a different example, starting your videos with something maybe a little bit more ridiculous, such as bench pressing balloons? Hey, where did this come from? That might get someone to stop the scroll and be like, hey, what is this video about? So that's what you want to do. Number two, you want to address their pain points. This cannot get any more vital to your video marketing. If you do not address their pain points, they will not resonate with your content and feel the need to watch it. So now that you have gotten their attention, now it's really time to dial up the pain and for them to resonate with your content. Talk about their struggles, their pain points, what truly keeps them up at night. So now, one example of this, if you've ever worked with people that want to lose weight or have lost weight, one of their biggest frustrations is to gain the weight back. Nobody wants to be in that predicament. They're proud of themselves when they get to their goal weight. A year later, they may have gained it back, and that is such a pain point for these type of people. That's what you want to really hit on in this part of the video framework. You really want to dive deep into what is causing that pain, what that pain is, and help them understand their pain. And then in the next part, we're going to get them out of it. What you're really doing here, when you're painting the painful common scenario that people experience with this issue, right, is that you're helping them understand that you understand them. This is really powerful when it comes to having someone like you, trust you, and want to buy from you, right? You have to get them to understand that you understand what they're going through and you can lead them to the solution. This is powerful. Number three, you're showing them the transformation of what is possible for them. Now, within this stage of the framework, you want to show them the journey and the possibility if they work with you. So you want to let them see the future, the new, the healthier, the more confident versions of themselves. What you're really doing here is you're painting the vivid picture. You're showing them the possibility of who they could become with your guidance. So now, within this part of the video, you really want to use visuals to really help them emotionally connect with what you are saying. So you could show someone that's smiling, they're on the scale, they're running, they feel confident, they look confident, because that's ultimately whatever your client wants. You want to show them what it could be like, and visuals are a very powerful way to do it. So step number four, create a clear call to action. Now, they've come this far, they've gone through the hook, they're hooked on what your video is all about, they've gone through the painful common scenario, they see your solution, they could see themselves in the possibility of getting what they truly want with you. The next step is to call them to action and tell them exactly what to do. One very simple example of this is, what if you just say, hey, click the link below and start your 7-day free trial today. Now, as a bonus step, what you could do is have imagery or videos of someone actually doing that, showing your person, your viewer, how simple it truly is to do what you're telling them to do. So when they see how easy it is, they're going to be like, hey, I'm going to do it. So real quick, if you have found value in this, please like and subscribe. And if you want help applying this to your business, go to newresultsmarketing.com, send us a message. We'll jump on a phone with you and we'll talk about how we can create a really great video game plan for you so you can rock your fitness business, change the world, and not worry about it, figuring out all this marketing stuff that you don't want to figure out anyway. Back to the video. Now, let's recap because we've talked about it a lot. Let's bring it home for you so you can put this into action. So number one, you want to grab attention with a bold hook to grab them, stop that scroll, watch my video type of hook. Number 2, you're speaking directly to your pain points, turn up the heat, getting them crystal clear on what the real problem is. Number 3, you want to show them the life-changing transformation that you can provide with your services. And number 4, you want to create a clear and easy to follow call to action that's intriguing that people want to take. So now I want you to comment, what was your biggest takeaway from this video? Leave a comment in below. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching. If you found value, hit the like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss any more marketing tips to grow your fitness business. I'll see you in the next video.